Okie dokie. Good break. Now, back to what I was doing. Well, good lunch. The Simpsons kind of sucks at this point, though. It's like deep into season 18, and it's like, yeah, it's not nearly as good as it used to be. Oh, so I sort of defaulted to orthographic, but how goofed is it if I do perspective? Oh, is it specifically? I'm like that. It's most definitely a bot. I barely started this stream. Stream Hub World. Well, it doesn't seem like a bot message. At least not a typical bot message. Now I'm kind of curious, but... yeah, and I'm definitely still waking up from chilling a little too much over lunch. Probably should figure out... well, it's not a matter of making my stream better. It's about getting a Stream Hub World. Yeah, boost for views and followers and stuff. I don't care. I was like, I will go on to... if I cared enough, I would go on to YouTube and make YouTube videos and stuff, but... a lot of this is just to have me focused, because there's somebody that could look over my shoulder at any time. Okay, and I actually do... I don't want to... again, we're doing quick and dirty, whatever I can get going. Well, just out of curiosity, does this look like I take the snow and move it down? Yeah, it doesn't really look like it. I guess that's the thing, is like, does this look like layers and layers of snow? I guess vaguely. Okay, so... let's pull up the thing. That's not the thing. Okay, and that's just enough tabs. Probably just slap them over here at this point. And I follow too many things on Twitter. Okay, I don't even need this anymore. So... I was moving stuff. Okay, wait. I wanted to just look at... I wanted to pull up. Okay, yeah, we're gonna get rid of... I don't need that, I don't need that. I do kind of want to keep this up as a reference. Don't need that, I don't need that. I do need to keep this up because that's the palette I used. That I don't need anymore. That I don't really need. That I don't really need. Oh, and this was just looking at this. Yeah. Because that's sort of what I thought of. Or formation is something like mount your friends would be a good idea, but because somebody already made it, I decided, you know, let's do snowman instead. Okay, I do want to keep that up. Oh, these are like other games to check out, which I do want to do at some point, so these can get moved over here instead. Oh, and then this I was doing later. These were all later. Another day, and same with that. Okay, there we go. Now it's back to this specifically. thing that I'm making. Okay, and then did I have... Okay, so there... There's still slab formation at the top of this. And then the diversifiers, is there anything? This. I was thinking of doing this one in terms of you can make your own snowmen, as in slap things together however you want. Yeah, main character does not directly fight or injure opponents. That one's not as necessary. I could maybe do that depending on how I do the game, but... And then use a new-to-you tool, as in the high-definition render pipeline. Maybe. Yeah, okay, those are the only diversifiers that I'm really interested in trying to tackle. It's just the game world gets bigger, yeah, you're able to divine. You can make your own snowman, the game world gets bigger when you win, and the high definition render pipeline is new to me. Kind of. There we go. Okay. So then, how do I want the actual gameplay to work? Well, now it's about getting... I think now it's about getting the snowman to move around. Oh yeah, and then I tried to... Okay, so let's do just a click on the snowman, and then do a click on the... I'm like, do I want to do a... That's really the thing, is how do I want to do it? Yeah, because I'm thinking of something like Dwarf Fortress, depending on the... Well, I think a lot of it is you select the dwarf and then you select what you want him to do. I guess other factory games, it's just sort of you select the thing and then select... I guess I could do the animations for... I'm not going to do any idle animation, but I could do a hit animation. So this, we need an animator. So then here, I need animations. Oh, that's not how you... It's not how I want to spell that necessarily. Animator. Well, because it's... Well, what all animations would I need? It's literally just the arm animations. Like, it's not like I want to animate, like, blinking or anything. And it's... I specifically want the arms to be... not attached to this snowman, so that you can have an arm attached somewhere else doing the same animation, essentially. Yeah, so the idle arm is down like that. Gathering would be up in front of the character or straight out, and the hit animation's coming down from the top to smack something. So then it here you want to do? I always forget which was the best way to... Yeah, it's a new state. I need the animation. And I was saying I don't need an idle animation, but I actually do want it to return to an idle state. So if I can just make a very simple... No, this is an animator for this stick. Not for the snowman. Oddly enough. I don't actually want to animate the snowman, I just want to animate the arms. So that I can keep the... So that, like I said, if I want to slap an arm somewhere else on the character, it'll still animate. Because that's sort of the end goal that I want, is that... You can make snowman abominations. So the stick animator. And then this is idle. And this is idle. Humanoid? Why is that there? Okay, so then I want to... add a property of the rotation of the stick. Yeah, I don't really need this ending thing here. Oh, shoot. Well, if I disable the animator when it's not attached, is really the thing. Yep, okay, now that I attach the animator, all of the sticks are animating in the idle animation, which is causing them to be straight up. Now tell me, do you really want to do that? And the answer is no. Aha! Why are you moving? Why are you running? Well, it's basically, can I make the pivot point? That's really what it is that the stick's pivot point. Oh, shoot. I mean, I gotta place that again. I don't know how to tell exactly what that is. Well, I guess can I add a very small sphere or something? Oh, or like a gizmo. Can I just show gizmos? Will that show me? No, I wanted to see the gizmos. It's just a matter of I wanted to see the gizmo for this. Well, it's right above the grid. I can see the grid, so... as long as I get this kind of right above the grid. I think it's a little better of a... Oh, no, let's do a little higher then. Yes? No? I can't tell if that's moving around with the thing or not. Oh, it is because it's doing the middle of the two objects. Okay, so I think what I really want, what I really want, not really want, but what I think I want is to put the stick back to, okay. To get the pivot point where I want it, I think I want it above the grid here. Okay, meaning this needs to move up. I guess that'll be the thing is. There we go, jeez. Just couldn't see it for some reason. Wow, one seems to be very close. Okay. Seems to be fairly good. Now the question is, if I do a rotation of like a 90, well, the problem is the pivot point. I want the pivot point to be there. That's the pivot point for... Oh, why did... huh? But then I do this. And that gives me something wildly different than if I just rotate it around the thing. So that rotates it around a point. That rotates it around that center point. But this, I guess, global rotation? How do I mess with the global rotation then, you goof? I need the very bottom of the stick to be the pivot point, is what I'm trying to do here. At least I know they respond to physics just fine. Why is one arm completely moved? Where are you going? I didn't want to animate it based on the snow person. I wanted to animate it based on the stick. Probably not the greatest idea. But if I can make it so that you can make your own snowman monsters, that is what I want to do. And it really is just a matter of fixing up the arms. Everything else is, they're all just spheres and or a cone that you smack on top of something else. I mean, I should even be able to hide the top of the whatchamacallit. Damn it, it's the pivot point is the problem. The pivot point on the stick I want to be... How do I do that? It's one of those things that, like, I don't think it's all that hard, and I just don't remember how to do it. Dadgummit. Okay, let's look up Unity pivot point. Yeah, I was like, but this is from when now? 2019, yeah. Oh, toggle handle position. Aha, there we go. You need to be pulled over here. Okay, that's where it's back there. I mean, close enough, I guess. Okay, so now if I do a rotation, it'll rotate around the pivot point. There we go. Sweet. Okay. Yeah, I was like, I knew it wasn't that hard. Just didn't know where it was. Okay. So now when I do... So now the arms need to be... placed yet again. Yeah, this is one of those awkward, weird steps, but it's important for the future if I want to make, you know, awful snowman monstrosities that have, like, too many arms that they're not specific to. It's like each arm needs to animate independently. Okay, so hopefully, well, the idle is straight up. Now tell me, is that right? No. But hopefully... Yeah! I need to move it down just a little more. Yeah, okay, that's a little close. But a lot better. Yeah, so it needs to be connected a little more like there. Center of the middle section of the body. Something like that. Yeah, let's make him a little more even. There we go. That should be a bit more even. Okay, and again, should be back to the defaulting to straight up. Defaulting to hands in the air, I'm innocent. Actually, that's perfect. Sweet. Okay, now can I? No, it's based on the animation. It's not based on the shoot. So it is. Oh wait. Yeah, it's the I don't know how to do the idle with the hands out necessarily. Well, and I could do. No, 270. So let's see if that does thumbs forward. Technically, I would want thumbs backward, actually. Just if you're... I do want this to be a person, essentially. It's person-like. Meaning if you held your arms up, it's a lot easier to do thumbs backward than it is to do thumbs forward, so it actually is that. Did I say that I am doing this now? Nope. Okay. So now I'll go back to... Yeah, there we go. Snowman with hands in the air. The hands are back. That away. Sweet. Yeah, it's just because when you have your arms up and then it's the down at the sides. Okay, wait, no. Technically, so go back to stick. What I actually wanted was, for the idle animation, is 180 on the Z. There we go, hands down at the sides. I'd like to flare them out, but that doesn't work with the two different sides of the body. So this is fine for now. I don't really know how it's gonna be make your own snowman, but we're gonna try. Okay, this is hit. So a hit animation, I want it to be from not this position. Yeah, you need to be rotated back that way. And then... Well, it should be just a chop real quick. So it doesn't need to be a long animation. And then 90? Nope, other way around. so then that. So I flail around my arms that you can't even see with the VTuber there. So that's not what I asked for. What? Why are you going back the wrong way? Go the other way. Okay, go negative 90 then? It's like if I do it negative instead, then... Aha, okay. And then because I'm a weirdo that does not like smooth animations... Why can you never see the curves? Just do too subtle of a thing. There. So then... Bop, 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 bop. There we go. Screw smooth animations. Give me that choppy frame rate. And then one more animation. That is grab. Yeah, and I may or may not turn these into like... Well, hey, okay, then do that. Do that. Except instead of straight up, or rather straight down, do 90. Nope, I lied, do 270. There we go, straight out. Okay, and it's still going to default to idle, meaning that hands are still going to be at the side, but... Oh, and it's like I could use the flippin' thing. Why are your arms flying away? Why does the head look like it's... straight? I'm like, wait a second, why are the snow persons... Huh? Why did it look like it had a hunch? This is the one I think that has the most ability to float away and stuff. Okay, let's see if that gets rid of that weird punch that looked like was happening. Okay, now that's the snowman standing up straight. But also, where are your arms? Why are y'all missing your arms? Hello? Snow person. Arm. Arms, why are you all flying into the distance? That's what all of these are, aren't they? Huh? Don't fly into the distance. Wait, no. They have an animator. It's if it doesn't have an animator, that it should be... Okay, so this is where we're gonna just have to start making the script for the stick. Okay, so now I need a nice... Here is a nice bool here where it is attached. And then if it is attached, then I need all the different pieces and parts. Mator. And a Mator. So if it is attached, then the animator enabled. And then the rigid body is the other thing. The collider then? Whatever the collider is, capsule collider. Yeah, I know that's not finished. Capsule collider. No, I kind of do want it to still run into stuff. I mean, that's not really... Well, it's the constraint. There we go. The constraints on the rigid body. I want to turn off the rigid body. It's a new rigid body constraints. Yeah, freeze all. Not a new highlight, just do a freeze all. So the rigid body doesn't affect it and the animator does. And that's if it is attached. But the default stick is going to be not attached. Let's add that script, that would be helpful. I was gonna say, don't be a bastard. Rigid body. Animator. And then it is not attached. But on the snowman, on the snow person, rather, it is attached. Meaning it does use the animator and does not use the rigid body. Or rather, does not fly away, you goof. Okay. Arms firmly at the sides. I want to get a closer look this way. Yeah, that was my problem with putting the arms at the sides, but arms at the sides, but there's not really any other way to do that. The butt is rotating. Okay, but the other sticks are also all straight up, which they should not be. And the animator is still active. Oh, wait. I never turned it off. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I think I need to move the arms out a little bit more is the thing that I need to do. That's what I'm seeing here. Oh, actually, I think I know it there. That's really what it is. As much as I wanted to do the arms at the sides like that, because they're each their own unique thing. Well, it's because I want to add any number of arms, so. A little goofy like that though. Damn it, bro. That's not what I wanted though. I wanted it to work and not look like they got hover arms. Got me alarmed. Hey, look at all these sticks. Not standing up straight like bricks. It's not a trick. It's bad rap. I don't know why I'm making up this crap. It's not good and not something that I should be doing, because I should be actually just making a thing. But if I can bring raps and rhymes, then it's not a crime. And I can't do it on time. And fuck, I don't like that shit. I want that to be out away from the. I want it to be closer to the middle and away from the character, but I mean that. So if you defaulted it to, if I defaulted it to. I could just have the arms swing forward instead of swing off to the sides. Is what it is. So for the idle, instead of having it straight down, have it forward a little bit. Yeah, I was gonna say, show me the idle animation. So it's along the Z. So instead of 180, give me 135. That's the wrong direction. Plus 45. So no, so it's 180 plus 45. Which is, I should know. I should know what it is, and I can't think of it right now. 225. There we go. If I default... Yeah, so instead of the 45 being off to the sides, it's off to the front instead. Then on the snow person, I can move the arms in, because they're going to default to 255. There we go. So now it's not going to run into the butt. Yeah, haha. Might be a bit close. Yeah, but that's the important thing is now if I slap an arm, like on the back somewhere, it'll still... I can still make it close to the body with that. There we go. Yeah, haha. Okay, so now instead, if it's attached and the animator's doing its thing, oh, I did want like a throw. Yeah, because right now I just have the hit that's doing that. I don't really know a good way to do like a differentiate it to a throw where it's like... Because it's the exact same arm, so you can't do like a rotate to the right, because then the other arm will then rotate through the body. Okay, but now, hopefully it'll just play the hit animation a whole bunch. Ideally. Yeah! Smack, 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 smack. Look at that party snowman. Look at him go. Smack, 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 smack. Now I just need you guys to rotate, you bastards. Who? As in like, what's his face from Ocarina of Time? Ah, I can't think. My brain's... I'm still coming off of lunch. I just sat and zoned out The Simpsons too much. Okay, so... now that I have... so I don't need that right now. I tested that it works. That's all fine and dandy. So now it looks like the snowman are animating and doing stuff. But if I wanted to just slap a third arm onto the snowman, I can just do that. Actually, since that's sort of what I'm thinking of doing. The gnome meme. I think of the roaming gnome. God, my brain is so full of fuzz. You've been gnomed. For some reason, I never liked the meme. It's all 3D, thought it was 2D. Yeah, it's because I'm using the orthographic camera. I'm debating on whether I want to stick with the orthographic camera, but the code I have set up for the camera is it works with orthographic right now. It doesn't work. Oh, it just pooped out his dick. Interesting. Wait a second, where's the lighting? Isn't it doing lighting in here? Because I'm like, that would make it a little more obvious that it's 3D. Where's the light? Wait, I thought I had it if I had like a tree here. Yeah, there's the shadow. And I had it at a jaunty angle so that it would be seen in the thing. Okay, let's make it a bit more extreme then. Like a, I don't know, like a 60? Or maybe like a 210. Well, let's, okay, no, let's just do 60 for now. I think it's better the way it is for the feeling of 2D, but to make it look like 3D, but actually being 3D. Why you no cast shadows, you goof? Yeah, I tend to like the orthographic just because it makes it so that everything is just for clarity's sake, typically. I want shadows, you goof. Why you show a shadow here, but not actually on in the thing? Okay, if I do, so don't spawn anything. And if I just look at this scene, there's no shadow. But I can see a shadow there. That's not what I wanted to mess with. I put it back, right? No, I didn't. You should not be moved. There we go. The tree. I wanted to move the tree so that it's like here. Okay, let's move the shadows some more again. Oh, I guess I should say hello. Thank you for stopping by and checking out the silly thing I'm making. Excuse me. I would like to see the shadow. I would like to see the baby. Are you receive shadows, please? What if I do not you and the other one? The other one's not receiving shadows either. Contribute? No, don't contribute to it. You don't really need it. Cast shadows. No, like receive shadows? Ideally, I can see the shadow here. Like, I want the shadows. I'm like, that'll do a lot for making this look cool. For making it look better. Why is it always so much difference between the game and the dev view? It's like, oh yeah, you see the thing in the dev environment? That's not at all what you're gonna get in the actual build. That sure seems like what I want to mess with, but I want it to receive shadows and I want it to be visible here. Is it a camera thing there? Is this a thing I'm going to have to Google? How in the world is somebody pulling up like 6 different games all at the same time? Seems like something got hacked or something there. Yeah, I'm just realizing how flat the world looks because it's like it's not showing the shadow. And I would like it to show the shadows. Let's do not show in shadow or yeah, no shadow in game view. This is another one of these like close the game view and the scene and then open up a new game view. Maybe not set in the quality settings. Basically, the problem solved is the object on which the shadows are drawn should not be any other plane without the Unity once I import it from Blender. What? Dang it. Okay, this is again not a thing that I need to be worrying about right now. Okay, but that means I could also leave this like that for now. Because I did want to mess with like doing like a snowstorm or something, do like some dynamic stuff like that. It's just odd. Okay, well, it said close the game view and then Open the game view. Yeah, that didn't do jack diddly squat. I didn't think it would. Now it's gonna bug me, just because I can see the shadow on the side of the tree there. Boo, hiss, boo. Yeah, that should entirely be visible. Okay, well. Okay, before I got distracted, I was trying to turn this snowman into a mutant, and then that didn't happen because the lighting is all goofed. Okay, now stick 3 just went straight up its butt. It's not where I wanted it. Y'all are at... Wait, huh? Oh, I already had a stick. That's why. Okay. There we go. 90 to 25. Okay, and then if I move this to... Oh, whatever, it's the same Y position, more than likely, right? Wait, 2.9 and 2.85? No. We should be at the same position. There we go, okay. So, 2.85. And then it is going to be 0 on the X still, but... Oh, and I do need to rotate it on the... one of them. No, not entirely. Shoot. This one? Ooh, that one. Yeah, and that's fine, that's... Oh yeah, it's not like I'm gonna get a pinwheel of arms because they're not at that angle. Oh, I guess so 1? No, wait. It should be the same distance away from... Yeah, 0.85. So then this should be 0.85. Okay, so how awkward does it look if this snowman has a third arm on the back? Because this is a possibility that I want, is that you can just slap arms and other things on your snowman. I needed to be doing the hit animation. The whole thing is like hidden. It's the stick. Oops. Oh wait, I got rid of it entirely. I wanted it to... Yeah. No wait, I need it back. Yes, I know, I accidentally clicked Open Unity. I wanted to... I mean, at this point, I could probably do an arm in the front, too. Just to really give it a good test. There we go. Horrible mutant snowman with 4 arms. Just some weird pinwheel of death, hopefully. Here, smack. Oh, they're not attached. Let's attach the arms. That would help. Both of you need to be attached. There we go. I hate you, you dumb animator. Yeah, okay. It is very specifically one angle. Yeah, Yeah, so now it has an arm going through itself. I wanted it to be local rotation, maybe, or something. So this rotation is stick. I should transform it into stick. Yeah, it's like, did I want the model? I might have wanted the model, not the parent. Oh, it's because it's not on the end. There we go. So if I do that instead, 90, 225, and get rid of this. And then just do it for all of them at this point. I kind of goofed that up, I didn't. Negative 90. So 90, negative 90, and then get rid of it here. Oh no, shoot. Okay, maybe I don't want to do that. Stupid animator. Okay, go back to idle. Go back to what I had. There we go. Yeah, it's not gonna be based on the parent. Okay, well, I'll leave Mutant Snowman for later. Just like I'll leave Shadows for later, just like I'll leave a whole pile of half-finished stuff, but that's the thing. It's like if I can get 80% of the game done, that's good enough for a jam. I don't want to get, 20% that's perfect. Yeah, okay, so now the question is, how do I want to actually have the... So it's click on the snowman and click on the object? Or do I want it to be click on the snowman and then say do task? Because if I do the click on the snowman and the object, that's going to be tons and tons of micromanaging of... It's like you need to gather snow, you need to pick up the stick. Oh, and then all the tasks that I was thinking of having were... Oh, and I didn't... So that's the models that I wrote down, but then the... the snowman parts specifically being 2 coal, 1 carrot, 1 kakarot. I haven't watched any of that, but okay, I'm gonna stand. Oh, and I needed that too. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I definitely needed that. Oh boy. I can't be tired yet. It's 2 o'clock. Actually, suddenly it's like it's already 2 o'clock. It feels like this has been an hour for this session. Stick. 2 stick. There we go. 2 coal, 1 carrot, 2 stick, and then 3 snowball. So then the tasks being gather snow, gather sticks, chop trees, which is what will generate some more sticks, gather carrot, well, and then for each of these tasks, getting broken down into roll, snowball. And gathering sticks is the, pile of sticks. Yeah, chop trees is just a... Well, this is just a hit animation. And then gather carrot is the, like, stack of objects. Okay, so that's the carrot, the stick, the snowball, and then to get sticks is the hit animation, and then I'm like, do I want to do a make a fire, or probably. And then I guess gather coal. Well, I guess fire would be... Yeah, it'd be make coal. Make fire and then make coal. Yeah, which is just stick more sticks in the fire. Well, I guess if you do make fire as in... Well, do I want to do those as separate things? Because it could just be make fire, and then as part of making fire, you throw more sticks on there and it generates coal. I guess make fire would be just 2 sticks together make fire, and then you just add more sticks to the fire. This is pile of sticks. Yeah, instead of a... Okay, so then there is the... Oh, and then build snowman is pile of snowman parts. So the actual things that I will need to make are... So it's like chopping trees. I have the hit animation. That's just find a tree and do the hit animation. And then just delete the tree and generate... Or have it generate sticks and then delete the tree. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick restroom break. Oh, I paused the music. I didn't need to pause the music. I could have left the music on. Okay. So then that's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tasks. Yeah, and that's the thing of like, I do kind of like the idea of yeah, the snow person is the one that's gonna be a little harder because that's figuring out which specific items you need as opposed to. Well, like I said, it's that matter of like I could either do, you click on the. Well, it's just I think of an RTS and I think of the like. Well, no, it is a lot of like you go here, you go there, you go here, you go there. But this is more of a factory game, which is more of you go do this, and then you just wait for them to go do that instead of. Yeah, this one, that'll be the hardest one. But. Okay, so do I want to make a menu for the tasks now, or do I want to just make, like, the chop trees task? I think that'll be the easiest. Is to just make that task. Okay, well, so I guess let's break these down. So roll snowball would be go to snowball and then go to snow pile, snow patch. That's pretty much what that is. Gather sticks is go. Holy God. Go to stick and then go to base, I guess. Well, let's go to stick and then repeat. Yeah, so that'll be however many sticks that you can gather in an arm. And then go to the base. Yeah, that's until the snowball is big enough. So this is go to tree. Yeah, that's why I wanted to start with that one, because that one's just go to the tree until it's dead and then go to the next tree. Go to carrot. Repeat until full and then go to base. Let's see, make fire is go to stick, repeat until full. Well, that's because you need a pile of sticks that are not on the fire, and then a pile of sticks that are on the fire. That's really all it is. It's going to be just tossing the sticks into the fire. So that's the same thing, just a different location. And then here is going to be the hard one. That's go to parts. And then go to it's basically where do you want to build the snowman is the question. Okay, I might just do, let's just worry about the tree for now. Let's just do the tree hitting. Okay, the snowman does not have a thing, so scripts, snow person, so we'll do an enum. I never remember how to write out an enum. Okay, it is just that. So enum tasks. And then the tasks being, like I was just saying here. So, snow, stick, chop, carrot, okay, fire and build, maybe. So then switch the, oops, and then tasks, task, and then the task here. I really hope I can make the snowman monstrosities. We'll see what I end up with, but... Oh my goodness. It's not what I wanted at all. There we go. Okay, so now if you're on the chop task, this is... Find closest. Closest. There we go. Find the closest. And then the game object to find. Now I could loop through all of the objects entirely. I could loop through every single object in the game to then find the closest one. Or I could just say within a certain range find the closest one, but I mean, I know how to do one of them even if it is not the oops. I guess I would want an all objects. I would want one for each list of objects and then one for all objects for making the snowman. This is not going to be optimized, but this is a game jam project. It's not, it doesn't need to be optimized. Well, it's seeing how I was confused about the start time. What was the end? It is something like Monday night or something, right? Yeah, 26th at midnight. Yeah, so it also includes Monday. Oh, I could get rid of a lot of this and just do a nice list of here's all of these game objects. So that I can save some space. Especially because I'm going to do another list of all of these sort of things. Actually, these don't... Yeah, these do. These need to be public. Doesn't need to be serialized field, it just needs to be available. Okay, and then all of these same things. Ground and snow don't need to be a list of objects, but the trees, carrots, sticks, snowballs, snow patches, and snow persons. I don't know that I necessarily need to have a list of the snowmans. Oh, and then everything. We'll do everything at the start of the list. Okay, there we go. Oops. Yeah, like I said, this is not optimized at all. So this will be a list of everything, and then here, under spawn objects, is the list to add to. Okay, there we go. And then, so for each of these. Yeah. Feel bad because it's not optimized at all, but if I get something working, then I can make it better. But I gotta get something working. Yeah, the snow person specifically needs to have. Shoot. There's a way to do. Oh, okay, wait, so if I do void spawn persons. Oops. Well, it's because I would want to do like that, but. Yeah, I can't really feed it into there because it'll already be instantiated. Yeah, I don't need to go out of my way to make sure that they're all facing the wrong way. The wrong way. Well, at least I know it'll already be standing, so. Yeah, this will still want, but the offset and everything can be specific, so. This is snow person specifically. And then this one is 1. That's not how I should be doing this, but this is how I'm doing it for now. For now being forever. Most likely. Oh, duh. It's here. 5 persons. Oh no. Offset. Oh, this is snow persons. But the reason I needed to do all of this was so that I could do specifically the get component or get component in children. It's like, do you want to just use get component in children every single time? I guess get component, I hadn't added it yet. Snow person. Like I want to pass spawning, you goof. There's gotta be better ways to do this. I'm just not good at what I do. Okay, so now that I have all of that, I can say for each game object. There, okay. I'm looking for a specific item in a specific list. So here, and there. So in this case, this is find the closest tree. Shoot. I guess it's not really the object to find, it's the list to... No, I do want to look for a specific object. Yeah, because that's really the thing, is when you're looking... Well, no. Okay, I don't want the object to find. I just want to search every list. So, like, build, I just want to search every list for the closest. Yeah, that's what it is. So, find the closest. Okay, and then I can't do 0. Because I'm looking for something less than whatever this is. Oh, okay, so I could do like an int I equals 0, and then if this happens to be 0, then okay, closest. Jeez. Okay, yeah, I don't need this, but okay, transform dot position minus object to search dot transform dot position, and then everything in a mathf dot abs to get rid of any negatives. No, that normalized is not the... No, I want just the magnitude of this, right? I think. So its current position minus what it's trying to look for. Now, what I actually wanted to do was check to see if this is less than closest distance. Yeah, less than specifically. Then the closest distance is this. Okay, and then it should return the closest object. What the heck did I just do? Okay, there. I think it should be the closest object, hopefully, out of whatever list. So, like, chop here finds the closest tree. And now move to that position. No, it's vector 3 to move towards, right? There we go. And I can also add the pathfinding at some point later. This is going to be as simple and bare bones as I can get. Transform dot position. Okay, where it currently is to where it wants to go, and then the speed, which is going to be just some number. Some high number, I think. I can never remember. There. Okay. And this is returning an object. There we go. Okay, let's see if that does anything. The end goal of this is hopefully that the snowman will move towards a tree. At this point, I don't care if it's the closest. I just want the snowman to move, and I want it to move towards a tree. It's like if it doesn't move, then I'll mess with the speed. If it moves too fast, then Okay, is it moving at all? Does not appear to be. That's no patches anyway. There's no persons. Does not appear to be moving. The task isn't chop, is it? Chop. There we go. Go smack down some trees. Go find trees and smack them. Oh, and I guess it's the you need to set the animations for doing certain things, but boo, hiss, boo, you didn't go anywhere, do anything. It's just like me. You don't go anywhere, do anything. Okay, and then we're gonna do the, let's see if I can get up to teleport thing. Oh, I didn't check, okay, let's check and see if it has the spawn. Should be passing the spawn in just fine. It's no person. Has a spawn, so it's at least getting to there. And the spawn has lists of everything that it spawned. Yes. And the speed is 500, so that's a number. It's not complaining about it doesn't have a target, but it doesn't seem to be doing much. Also, where's its butt? Aha, its butt is not allowed to go anywhere. Which, that shouldn't matter. Because that's not... It's the... Yeah, that shouldn't matter. Because it's a vector 3 that's moving it around, not... Scene view has nice lighting, and this just is nothing. Yeah, so let's see what this is spitting out. God balls. And we're gonna have it spit out everything. Yeah, we're doing everything just to make sure that it's not somehow resetting the speed or something. I'm assuming it's just not finding the closest object, despite the fact that it should be something. Or it's that move towards. I do this every time. I do this every time. This does not move the object. It just returns a position. That's what it is. It returns a position. It does not move an object. Okay, well, I'll leave this up until... Well, I might not even need to... It might be working just fine, and I forgot the step where you actually move the object. Every time, it's just... I think the move towards is actually gonna move it. It's... No, it's just the position that it's trying to go to. I see a lot of snowmen next to trees. Snow persons. Let's see if they were teleporting. As I was assuming. And... Still teleporting? Or... Well, and are they... Something like that, right? Oh, no, to look at, duh. Okay, transform dot look at then. Who's got the look at? There we go, transform dot look at. Targets. Okay, it's probably going to cause the whole thing to tilt like it typically does because it moves the entire object and not just on a single axis, but that's okay for now. If it does it. If it actually rotates the flippin' thing, which I was having a hard damn time doing it earlier. You are... Aha, not looking directly at the tree. Or rather, you're not looking... There we go! Yeah, okay, both of y'all picked that as the nearest tree, which makes sense. Aha, look at it! Look at him giving those trees hugs! You didn't look like you were doing that, though. Why are you not hugging the tree? You're supposed to give the tree a hug! You goof. Nah, no. Stop helping. I don't need that much help. I'm trying to make my own thing, specifically the word hit. Yeah, because this is also now gonna need to make sure that the... Man, then they're all gonna need to have their own different things. It's just because I need the spawn to know that there's a new stick. Damn it, shit. I also think that this is the one that I started rapping over earlier. Even if I can't rap. Man, it sounds like rap. So what the fuck was I trying to do? Okay, let's just make it instantiate the stick, even if it ain't gonna do the shit that I want it to do, where it actually updates with the spawn, though. Because it's not gonna work, bro, to have them go and gather sticks. But that's okay, because I ain't up to that point yet. Like, no way. Like, what am I trying to say? What am I trying to do? Trying to... Oops. This is a check. Health is less than or equal to 0. Destroy. Yeah, but this isn't a collision? Well, maybe. But I don't know if that animation's gonna work, though. Probably on collision. Well, no. It's fucking shit, bro. I don't know. God damn it, yo. This is fucking hard, and I'm too fucking dumb. Kinda want some dim sum, just cause it rhymes. Okay, what the fuck was it doing? Well, it's the... If it's the fucking arm, that's so... I don't know. Okay, well, it does have a collision. It's not a cat, like, okay, so... Basically, thinking what I want here... Why do you do this? I don't know what the fuck the tree is. I just made this script. I don't know. What is it? I don't know. I just made it, you fuck. God damn it. Let's just restart everything. Fixed it last time. It just takes forever to fucking start something. And... Yeah, that's the thing. It's like once I get him moving around and punching trees, it'll be a lot easier to get him moving around and gathering items. Which will be a lot easier to get them piling up those items to make a snowman. Nope, not what I wanted. I wanted the tree. So I wanted the script for the tree. And then it does it just fine. Like, I just like it. Okay, 1 health. So that when it enters the world and it collides with the ground, it should delete itself. Well, it should spawn a stick and delete itself. Hopefully. That's what I think should happen. Am I in any way, shape, or form correct? Almost. It spawned all sticks in the same spot. Is it back at the top again, or is this... Oh, it's in the middle. Oh. I thought I was at the end. This is the end, it's ending! Okay, there we go. Okay, and the tree, I needed to actually instantiate the stick at. It's like, there we go, with a random rotation. Yeah, it's figuring out how the snowman is going to interact with the tree is going to be a little bit more of a pain, but... Oh, I forgot to do that. Oh, yeah, it needs to update all these lists and stuff. Yeah, it needs to update the fact that it's both. Shoot. Well, it's the only issue with that is that because these are all different scripts, and then suddenly I need to do spawn tree, spawn whatever, spawn whatever. Well, bummer. I guess I'll just do that then. Instead of spawn object, it's spawn each different type of thing. Because each different type of thing is going to have just slightly different needs. Bummer. Tree is got an offset 1, and then because it's standing it does that, and then here specifically tree and then trees. Yeah, because now it's stuff like, you know, yeah, we'll do the ads first. Well, in this case, add stick. Well, it's I just need to do adds and removes for all of these that are all just piped through this. Yeah, it's like one of those. Ideally, I can do just a more generic version. There's probably a better, easier way to do all of this, but I don't know it, and... Okay, I think I'm gonna sit for a little bit. Okay. Yeah, so now what I actually want to do is say spawn dot remove. Making these public would help. I done got educated public school. And this is a tree, so it would be the trees list. Oh, spawn.trees. This is the same thing here. Spawn dot add an object, a stick to the sticks list. Hmm? What happened to numb objects? Okay, I want these to stay. What? Oh, I never made it spawn trees. It's here. I just took that from spawn persons. I never made it spawn trees. I just had a half-finished thing leading into a half-finished thing. Leading into a half-finished thing. Public. Yeah, goof. At least this is a little easier, but yeah, a lot of this looks similar, but it's not the same, which so now the tree can actually tell spawn whether to add or remove an object, but that doesn't actually do anything. Oh, fudge face. It needs to add it at that old spot. Okay, this doesn't need to be. Okay, so now, spawn position. Make a new object at that position. And then list to modify. Dot add this clone. And everything dot add the clone. Wait, I don't need a list of everything. I will just go through each individual list when I... There doesn't need to be an everything list. Because like when I'm searching for the snowman parts, I just search through each list. Yeah, I wasn't doing much with this anyway, but... Cuts out a little bit. There we go. Now that it's piped through here, it'll stop yelling at me that the thing is... There we go. A tree can spawn a stick. It's like, I guess it could identify what the object is, which would identify which list needs to be modified, but whatever. Okay, so now hopefully it'll do the same thing and not throw a bunch of errors. That's yeah, okay, this needs to do a null check because there might not be that thing. Okay, so now don't explode. Yay, it didn't explode, and now all the trees turned into 2 sticks? Why 2 sticks specifically? That seems odd. It only had 1 health. It should have survived 1 hit. Oh, and also the stick should be defaulting to... yeah, no animator and not attached to anything. Which means it should be... you know, the physics should be going. Wait, is the tree spawning a stick, but then it wouldn't be doing the thing? Yeah, instantiate tree. Let's just make the tree. Let's just make sure the trees are spawning correctly. Let's go back to making sure the trees are here correctly. Oh, I need to write down bugs. I need to get a bug list going. So shadows. Not showing up. There was another one. That's right, get it. Get that tree. Why are you sideways? Y'all aren't facing the thing at all. Yeah, y'all aren't facing that correctly at all. You can't hardly see the carrots. Yeah, this should not spawn any sticks, because there is no... It's not like a stick inside the tree, right? The tree is just a tree. Yeah, okay. Just seems odd that it was specifically 2 sticks. Should have really only been 1 stick. It had 1 health. Okay, so all the trees just immediately remove themselves. Yeah, but that's if it is attached, which it is not attached. And it is using gravity, and it is using the collider. And it's not freezing any positions and stuff. So why is it... You're telling me that they're all just balanced end to end? Because one of those trees fell down when something ran into it. Okay, yeah, this is also telling me that I think I need to change the camera angle, because I keep defaulting to using the scene. Well, I guess it is. Well, they might be fine then. Okay, whatever. If it's spawning 2 sticks, that's fine. Okay, you're not facing the thing correctly. Oh, it's supposed to be if it collides with. On collision enter, it should check if the... Yeah, but I think the snowman swinging its arms around is not actually hitting the tree. I think it's just flailing near the tree. Damn it, I keep clicking that. Get it. Go get that tree. I kind of wanted it to be the arms, but I don't think the arms are actually necessary. I don't think they're actually... That's just an animation. It's the butt. It's the bottom sphere here that's gonna be colliding with stuff. Okay, and that does not tag everything else below it. Meaning I need to tag that specifically. The problem is It's... I want it to be tied to the... I want it to be tied to the animation. Because right now it's just going to be if the player runs into... Well, it's only going to be the once. They're only going to run into the tree the once. So I guess it's on collision stay. It's like, it looked like a snowman just ripped through a bunch of trees. Really quick there. Is it two of them? Oh, no, it's just a snowball. Oh, the butt fell off. Why did its butt fall off? Oh, its butt fell off there, too. Yeah, I was like, I think this thing that sticks there is... very aggressive snowmen. Snow persons. Wow, cruising. Okay, gather the trees a little slower there. Okay, and you're faced backwards as well. Meaning, if I do, yeah, look at negative. Or I just need to... It's probably the better idea. Let's just see if this works. Let's see if this does in fact compute in my brain. And then flip the snowman 180. Why does it look like it's very, very slowly... Why are you doing a terrible job of humping that tree to death? Okay, I think it's just a matter of flipping the snowman around. Oh no, that's flipping each and every single individual component to face the other direction. We're gonna just leave that there. That works for now, that's fine. That's all I need to do. Oh, and speaking of the snowman having issues, let's freeze its butt in place. That doesn't... Yeah, I was like, I think that freezes it within the parent object and not within the... I don't think it freezes it in the world space, just the local space. Yes, okay. Go get him. Why are you not facing them in the right direction? What are y'all looking at? How are you moving towards the closest tree? No, they're just fighting for trees. They're very... That's hilarious. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna get the last 2 trees? Looks like these 2 bottom ones. Okay. It's definitely progress. They're not facing the correct direction at all, though. It's moving towards the target entirely correctly. But it is not looking at the target entirely correctly, which is a little baffling to me. Yeah, because it's this sideways nonsense where it's like it's looking at something else entirely. But then how are you moving towards this tree specifically if you're looking at something else entirely? Yeah, like I said, unless it's the negative aspect of it, but that doesn't... But it didn't help to do this either. It's not like it's looking at the object, but the wrong direction. It's looking at some other object is what it looks like. Despite the fact that it's moving towards the tree just fine. Okay, maybe it is the negatives. Shoot. So if it is the negatives, then it is just... Ah, damn it! Okay. Let's redo everything to... Boo, hiss, boo. Boo. Hopefully it's just positives. Nope. Oh yeah, I could do a walking animation. Oh wait. Oh wait, oh wait, wait, oh wait, wait. Wait, wait. Oh wait, wait. Oh wait, oh wait, wait, oh wait, wait. Because this is going to be just literally like that. Not entirely like this, because the angles are going to be entirely different. Hey, there we go. The issue is just getting the arms to alternate, because it's really gonna look like they're swimming. Da 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 da. Nope, animator. Animator? Huh? How in the heck am I doing the animations? Oh, it's the stick. Maybe I should add the arms as an object. Oh, well, let's double check and make sure that the snowman looks the right, snow person looks the right way when they're walking. That was what I was trying to fix. When I get distracted by, hey, I could add a walk animation. No, damn it. No arms. Why do you? All the animations are fucked then. All of them are fucked then. Come on, you suck. Prefab. Stick. Now let me mess with the animation. Yeah, dumb. Damn it, they're all fucked. 270. Oh, I don't think I'm using this one just yet. Hopefully it's just flipping it around the other direction. All of these. Man, and I just made that walk animation. It's like, excuse me, what? No, stop it, you dumb. Ugh. Why do you do this? This. Okay, this should be 270 or negative 90. Probably negative 90. The fuck are you fucking modifying? This fucking thing right here, the one that I fucking clicked on, the one that this is hovered over. The one that I clicked on, the one this is hovered over. The one that I clicked on, the one this is hovered over. There we go. Okay. You dumb. No, this. It's not the... For a walk animation, I'm not even using that yet. Why in the fuck are you fucking doing this, you fucking dumb fucking piece of fucking goddamn fucking shit? I click on this and I click on this. I click on this and I click on this. And then you decide, oh, I reset everything. I didn't fucking change any of those. The fucking hell, you fucking dumb fucking piece of fucking goddamn fucking... No, you... 135. Why? I didn't touch that, you dumb fuck. Negative 135, negative 135, and 135. It's because I wanted to change... Fucking, I'll just change this one then too. What do you fucking mean this isn't a thing here? Play the goddamn animation? Okay, record. I click on this, and I click on this, and I click on this, and I click on that. Just that, and then I hit stop recording, and then you fucking... Negative, positive, positive. What do you fucking mean positive? I didn't fucking touch this. What do you fucking keep changing? And then it doesn't do an animation. It doesn't... What do you fucking mean, you fucking dumb fucking piece of fucking goddamn fucking shit? How the fuck are you fucking this up? Huh? It's a simple couple frame animation. Negative 135. Here should be 135. And then I go back to here. And then it's 135? What do you fucking mean? Wait, negative 135. Let's go back to here and double check it. 135. Go here, negative 135. Go back to the first one, double check it that it didn't fucking move. So negative 135. I want you to be positive 135. Then I want to go back to here. You are positive 135. I want to go here. What? What? I didn't touch this. I was over here messing with this. And now you're saying this isn't working. Animate it! Let me change a number and have it save that number changed. I don't want to change all the fucking numbers at the same fucking time. What in the world do you think you're even doing, you piece of shit? What the fuck did you just fucking change? This should be blue. Blue, meaning I clicked it and I selected it and I want to fucking change it. Blue, meaning I clicked it and I changed it. Yeah, and that's where I'm going to look at this and it's going to say negative 135. I'm going to look at this and it's going to say 135. I'm going to look at this and it's going to say 135. And then I'm like, wait a second. No, I want that to be different than the fucking middle of this thing. Is it the fucking curve? Okay, I'm not even using this fucking animation for anything, and I kind of don't want to fucking look at it anymore, because I guess the fucking curve is just... No, you can't mess with it, so I guess I have to redo the entire fucking thing, stupid fuck. I like my stupid, very stiff animations and stuff. I don't... Okay, they're facing the right way. They're going after the fucking trees. This looks kind of neat. And the trees are spawning sticks. I want the fucking shadows to show up, you dumb pile of shit. Yeah, and they just very efficiently tear through all the trees. And that's where I wanted to use the walk animation instead of the hit animation. If I could just get a fucking walk animation to fucking work, you fucking dumb fucking piece of fucking goddamn fucking shit. What do you fucking mean the fucking animator? Because it's on the stick. Because you did something weird and dumb. That's me, weird and dumb. Why? Why do you fucking... Okay, can I copy this? Can I delete this? And then paste that. That should return to the other fucking thing, you fucking dumb fucking piece of fucking goddamn fucking shit. Okay, whatever. Close a fucking enough, I guess. Okay, so instead of just running the hit animation a ton of times over. Yeah, well now I think it needs to... Its entire list of arms is gonna need to update. Based on whatever the... Yeah, and that's the thing, is that they're not alternating either. Because I think it's two snow persons that just merged into a single person. The way they all stop and turn and run after the last tree is fantastic. That's the thing, is to get a proper walk animation, I need it to start at a different spot. Oh my gosh, have a good stream and $100 or 100 viewers for only 5 cents only, easy with a new view pro, catch a promo, 10 viewers for the husband. Let's not mute, no, destroy entirely. Burn. Bye-bye. Oh, it is almost 4 o'clock. I could kind of call this a good stopping point for dinner. What's the thing? Is like getting through most of this is... Because now that I have them going after the different trees, then it should be pretty easy to go after sticks, to go after snowballs, to go after, you know, snow patches, to go after. Yeah, I don't really want them merging to a single snow person, but that's okay. Run, tree, run! Escape! You got this! How is it somehow colliding with it, but not actually colliding with it? It's not the hand, is it? Yeah, but it's only on collision enter. If I do it on collision stay... I could just do a random chance. No, I kind of want it to be you smack the tree a few times and then... But that's really just dependent on the animation. Is when the hand comes down, that's when it should tell the thing, hey, I've been hit. Well, if the tag equals the player, it's because it's the stick. I need the stick, and I need the person and the stick to start talking to each other. I mean, this should change nothing, but what I could do is up the health of the trees so that they actually have to stop for a second, but that'll spawn. it'll be bump into it to do, you know, spawn 5 sticks all at once. So it's not really gonna slow it down much, but I can try. So now it'll be 5. So for 5 frames, it'll spawn a stick while it's getting run into by it. Like I said, it should slow down the game because it'll spawn too many sticks. Yeah, because now it's just 5 frames of... It's just gonna be so many sticks. Yeah, it's supposed to be a little slower than that, is the issue. Okay, now did I want to get lazy with dinner and like order a pizza for this whole excursion? I mean, I have cereal and I have stuff for veggie sandwiches. A veggie sandwich doesn't sound too bad, but I mean, pizza also sounds delicious. I don't need a pizza, I just had a big meal the other day. But I didn't have a game jam the other day, so... It doesn't have to be pizza. Well, the reason I wanted to do pizza is because it puts a lot of food in the fridge. But... I just had... Yeah, I don't need a lot of soda. Well, that's the thing of like, I could drink those spiritless things, but... Yeah, it's another one of those. Probably shouldn't. Oops, oh no. Okay, I think I might take a walk. Oh, let's do another build just to see if this takes for flippin' ever to do a build again. Okay, that's too many sticks. So let's do like 3 then. Alright, so I usually do it by the date. This is more like... Okay, so now let's see how long this takes. And then I'll go for a walk, and then come back, and... So I think I'm most of the way towards getting... to where I can go to a place to do a thing. And now it's just go to a snowball. And then that snowball will attach to the snowman. That's the thing, is the other... I need to attach objects to the snowman. Yeah, because right now it's just go to the tree and smack it. Which I haven't fully finished the smacking of the tree, but that's I think good enough for now. Okay, it was just the initial build. Why does it start off like completely white like that? Why does it hump the tree like that sometimes? Oh, I never did do the menu stuff. Is the tree frozen in place? Maybe I need to freeze the tree in place. Yeah, and this is just kind of a habit now at this point. To just also do the like, hey, here's the in progress stuff. Okay, I'm doing a dinner break. I gotta go for a walk. I need to get out of here. Need a break. I'll be back for another evening session, but bye-bye. Thanks for stopping by. Goodbye. Good luck.